Tau mai rā ngā iwi o te motu tēnei rā, ko te reo whakapāho te Atiawa toa i tukuna atu rā i a tātou nei ngamihi, kia koutou rā. Me tā tātou nei whakapāha atu anō hoki, mō tā tātou nei kauenga reti mai nei i tēnei aiwa tātou nei kēmu nui whakaharahara. Waenga i a tātou nei ngā marae o Ngāti Toa te rā ko Takapūwāhia, ko Hongoeka, ko tai mai nei a wairua, te wairua o te whakataitai i konei kei te kāreti o Mana College ki Takapūwāhia. Reira, kei ngā iwi o te motu e whakarongo mai ana, e mātaki mai ana, tēnei rā, te reo opihi o Atiawa Toa FM kia koutou, tēnei ka mihi, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou. Handing you over to your MC for the afternoon, Simi Carissa.
Kia ora tāro whalawa and welcome to what is the yearly fixture here at Mana College as we see some attack happening throughout this. Thank you for joining us. Apologies for the late live stream, but we're here, we are live, and I'm happy to be joined by my co-commentator today, Jury Tini Smeaton. Sole, kia ora, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Beautiful day down there in Alice. We've seen some pretty fine rugby league so far this morning.
Yeah, no, it's a perfect rugby. Now, for our audience at home, is it 15-5?
Oh, let's check there. I think that's
15-5. What's Cass Caressa, who is in the middle for the third year in a row, controlling these two maraes. At the moment in 2023, when this league match was first brought back, it was Takapūwāhia who won it. In 24, it was won by Hongoeka, and now it's who gets the bragging rights for summer. Who are you taking?
Takapūwāhia looked pretty tight the first 20 minutes of this game. They've been carrying well, especially with ball in hand, and Hongoeka need to kind of back on their defence if they've got any chance of
Great defence there by the boys, pushing them all the way back close to the try line.
Whistle goes.
All boys are offside.
Takapūwāhia offside there.
Make sure, Kazi.
Do you know this kid kicking? I've seen so many kickers today.
Yeah, it's gone. A good clearance on the penalty kick, clearing up to halfway on the wicket.
A lot of enthusiasm on the sideline by the subs.
Yeah, they come off puff, but as soon as they come off, they're full of energy again.
Yeah.
Hongoeka now carry on halfway up.
Back to halfway where he started. It's been like this throughout the whole first half. There's been a bit of passion in these tackles.
Hongoeka struggling to get go for, especially in those early sets in the first half, but finally they can carry going forward. Back door.
Seeing this back line go wide.
Left hand forward.
30 metres out from the line.
Come on, sit up, you bitch. Leon, sit up. Leon, it's coming out. Nice, sit up deeper.
They're just not giving up on these tackles, are they?
No, they're not. They're really struggling to get that go for it. It's really stifling the momentum of Hongoeka being able to really string anything together.
Go hard, Leon.
As we come out to this right side.
There we go, fifth tackle now. Going back, kick into the corner. It's come off the side of the boot. Oh, and he's just knocked it off. 5 metres. Was that about 5 metres in from touch, 10 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line.
It's been a brilliant day for the iwi. There's some jumpy castles everywhere, the food stores here at Mana College. quite a nice festive day.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic morning. We had some hockey played on the hockey turf just behind us at Owsen. Free food trucks all afternoon long. It's been a wonderful morning of whānau and fun here at Mana College.
Driven back in the run. Oh. Is the ref call? No, it's play on.
Go back in, kicks up in the midfield. Richmond under it. Takes back, takes his time. Swarmed by Takapūwāhia tacklers. Oh, just no go for it here from Hongoeka. Taken back behind the advantage line. They go again. Oh,
yeah,
and that's a good penalty there for Hongoeka. They're lucky to get that. They're going backwards and they get a nice little bit of reprieve there from a tough first couple of tackles in that set.
Yeah, it's all Cass warned them a few times to get back on side.
Well, as the afternoon draws on, it's quite warm here at Owsen. I can see the boys starting to slow down as the afternoon wears on. It's been a pretty quick first half an hour or so.
It's an interesting number 3 standing in front of us at the moment. Looks like he's going to come on. Is that a Soialo?
It is a Soialo.
Is that
the
a
younger
Soialo?
brother,
Right,
James
yeah.
Soialo. For Hongoeka.
Hongoeka on the attack. They need to get some points on the board as he runs back against the traffic. A lot of playmakers in this back line. As it comes out into the backs, will this be a settle ball? No, it's a back door straight out. He gets it. It's another back door. Oh, he's found the gap. He just needs to let it go.
Over he goes. Try to Hongoeka. What a try going through the back.
What a fantastic try.
Going through that back line, right down to the winger, and then that cut back on the inside.
Try makes the score 20-10. So that's a correction from our last one. It's 20-10. Now, this try scorer, do you know him? He looks like he should have a Dragons jersey on.
No,
or a Toa.
I think he does usually play for Toa Rugby League. And the kick goes up, and it is good. Hongoeka convert their try. $12 points to 20. That's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Hongoeka, they'll be pretty happy with that position that they're in.
They've hung in there this first half.
Well, conversions costing Takapūwāhia. They've missed
3, 5, 4.
They've missed 3 or 4 conversions, which has really bit them now as we look at the scoreboard at 20 points to 12. Hongoeka still in this.
As we see the substitutions happening, big 25. He looks like a dragon. Great kick as he comes from the back fence. This is what they need.
Carry. Some go forward. Here, carried out. Hongoeka 30-metre line. McMillan Parada carries up.
A great servant of Parramatta Plumerton.
Yeah, captain.
Captain.
Having to go at both codes. The carry now is at about third tackle, 40 on their own 40. Carry forward, go down the blind side. Richmond carries up just short of halfway. Fourth tackle now. Here we go. They don't get a little bit of go forward. Here we go. Final tackle, 45 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line. They go back. Midfield bomb. It's high. Where's that gone? Takapūwāhia have taken back the bobbling ball and they've got it back about 20 metres out from halfway on their side.
They'd want to force a mistake of some sort here. It's a long way to come.
It was.
Good crowd today.
No, it's a beautiful day. It really brings people out. Good whānau atmosphere. Festive.
Ooh, that was nearly high. That was pretty high from McMillan.
Here they go down the blind side. Randall Bishop.
Randall Bishop.
Servant of Taua. He must be one of the most capped Wellington Rugby fullbacks.
I'd say so. A great servant of Taua Rugby. A sprinkling of club rugby players in this game.
There's a fair few Taua Rugby shorts out there
Yeah.
at the moment. Here they go, Takapūwāhia, carry in the middle, chip kick through.
Oh,
Here we go. He's just lost that forward there in midfield, tried to chip.
As we see number 3, So'ialo, run onto the field.
This will be Hongoeka's feed into the scrum, 30 metres out from their own line. Good opportunity here to sort of get some go forward and try.
Well,
hopefully for them, build some momentum going into the half time with about 5 minutes to go.
there was no desire for you to referee this game, Drew?
Heck no, don't do rugby league. It's a different game.
It's only 6 tackles.
Yeah, it's only 6 tackles, but everything's a bit faster.
Oh, okay.
As Hongoeka go again, they go down the blind side.
So
Yalo shows and goes.
Likes the physical
Goes
stuff.
hard, but there you
Loves
go.
it.
They go back to the open side now, feed it through the backs into the midfield.
Oh,
Short
that looks
ball.
forward. Straight into McMillan Palasa. Oh, it's a run from dummy half. They just catch him.
Ooh. He takes him onto their side, onto the Takapūwāhia side of halfway. McMillan Parada, Uppy, carries hard from dummy half. His final tackle now. 35 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line. They carry, offload. So'ialo, big midfield bomb. Comes back, batted back. Oh, it's taken by a Takapūwāhia player. Takapūwāhia now away. Tackled. No, not tackled.
Had a conversation with the ref, decided to pass.
Here we go, first tackle now, 5 metres out from halfway. Takapūwāhia with a bit of momentum. They go again from dummy, offload, fumbles to the ground. He goes wide. Another nice offload, carries hard. 40 metres out from the Hongoeka line. Short ball. Oh, smash ball comes loose. Hongoeka have the ball at the moment. Bit of argy-bargy around. Knock on off Takapūwāhia.
A lot of referee calls coming from the sideline.
Oh, there were plenty. I didn't know what was happening. And the referee decided to wear black, so I can't actually tell him among the players, but that's all right.
He's wearing a Toa Rugby League jersey.
Yeah.
It's a scrum.
Hongoeka feed it out. They go out to the backs now. Good carry in by the first receiver. They look to go blind.
Offside again. Just gifting these meters.
He's been working hard to try and get them onside. There's no listening. Tap and go by Hongoeka. Here they go. Carry hard up the middle. Oh, he buds him off. The little Fijian man. 30 metres out now from Takapūwāhia line. First tackle after the penalty.
I forget Fijians whakapapa back here.
Depends all. It's all relationships.
It's all relationships.
Relational people. Second tackle now.
Oh, McMillan Parata, he's loving this afternoon.
Yeah. Oh, what a
Oh,
carry.
he's
He
gone
breaks
again.
out of the first tackle. He carries now hard into the line.
Not-
About 5 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line.
Not bad for a guy who finished at 4:30 this morning.
They go on the inside. Tackle up the middle. Hongoeka go over. Try it, Hongoeka. They strike back again. And it's a try confirmed by the referee. Hongoeka go over. They go wide after a
great run.
A great run.
Right, Tane
McMillan Parado, who played the ball 5 metres out from the line. They spun it wide and over they go.
Looked like he was busting through some bounces to get into the club.
Yeah, well, he might have been getting some practice last night. Apparently it was the office Christmas party for Tane. So,
no, well done.
It was a great carry. But, once they got some bit of a momentum from that quick tap and managed a couple of carries there, Hongoeka really look unstoppable.
Closes that gap 17-20. We'll just check with the sideline. Jules, what's the score?
Oh, we got the replay there. Wonderful try once again.
20-16. Oh, okay, done. All right.
20-16 with the kick to come.
Is the official score.
Oh, did they get that kick? We missed the kick.
We missed the kick because we were asking Julius Carissa what the score was. He looked quite annoyed when I asked him.
Here we go. Takapūwāhia kicking off. Kicks the ball. It's going to go. Oh, but it's been come off Takapūwāhia.
It was a bit of innovation. Cass has said hand it over.
Yeah.
Cass Carissa has said hand the ball over.
Here we go. It's going to be a bit of a conference between the touchdown.
Oh,
half
what timing. What timing.
Best way not to have to make a decision, just call it off. Yeah. It's half time here at Alston Park. 20-16. Oh, Matt. No, this is Alston Park, isn't it?
Aren't we calling it Mana College?
Are we calling it Mana College?
We're calling
today?
it Mana College. Now, some great athletes have come out of Mana College.
There's been a couple.
Can you name any?
Rodney Soyalo, did he come here?
Rodney Soyalo? I thought you were going to go with Perenara first.
Oh, TJ did play for here. Sorry.
I thought he was going to be at the top of your list. What about the Allison brothers? We should just claim everyone.
We could just claim everyone. It is the local college, TJ Bay and Takapūwāhia.
First college built in Porirua back in the day. Scoreline is 2016. And jury, if we filled in the audience on that first half, that first 20 minutes was pretty passionate, would say, for the players to get to know each other again.
Yeah, it was a fiery first 20 minutes. Takapūwāhia came out of the gates pretty quickly, and Randall Bishop scored under the post within the first 5 minutes. We then had the Takapūwāhia, he missed the conversion after scoring right under the post, and then Takapūwāhia came back again and scored again in the corner, and they decided to convert the try. Hongoeka hit back with a try of their own, converted.
Yeah.
And then there's been a flurry back and forth since to bring us up to 16-20 as the score. We now throw it to the referee for his update on the game.
How's the game? Yeah.
No, mean game. It's a bit definitely you could tell Takapūwāhia were getting the quick play the balls. Yeah. Also Hongoeka getting gassed a bit, but no, it's a quality game. 20 points to 16, man. It's all on.
There's have you recognised any club players out there from league and
yeah, there's
union?
A few of them. They're trying to push it a bit extra, so I have to make sure, not on my watch.
Not on your watch. Hey, they great second half, first half for the boys in black to come back into that.
Yeah, well they needed to, man. They were down by heaps, so bit of ill discipline from the Takapūwāhia boys not getting back to 10, but I've let them know.
You've penalised them 3 times for that.
Well, they've got to get back 10, man. Simple rules.
Oh man, well, what are you hoping for the for the final 40?
No, I think it's going to be a quality game. I think there's a lot of X factor. You got Stelman, you've got Isi, the Parata boys. So there's a lot of quality players that can break it open. So it's going to break it open.
Shottles, thank you, man. That was Cass Carissa, the man in the middle. 3rd year in a row for this as we watch some of the replays and some of the games. Here we have Mr. Soialo himself loving the contact. It's so late in the year for these boys to be playing some football, but look at them, loving it. Here's that Fijian, the whakapapa's back to to the Siwi. Yeah, whakabula. But
bigger than the back.
Bigger than the back, yeah.
Waimato comes over the top.
Should have just gone to ground.
Oh, that wasn't Waimato. There's a few same haircuts out there.
Yeah. But here, I think this is where we get that final try of the half. Oh, yeah. Oh, can we see that replay again? that looked like he drew. Do you think there was a separation of hand and ball?
As they say, the referee's always right. He decided to award the try, so we'll call it what it was. But that was pretty close. But, of course, we don't have the benefit of a replay.
No.
No bunker in this match.
Thanks again for joining us here live from Mana College in the city of Porirua as we watch a traditional third year in a row of the two maraes in Porirua taking each other on. Now, is this a new strip for the Hongoeka boys?
This is a new strip for the Hongoeka boys. I don't think they've brought it out before, but done by Dynasty Sports. A red V with the Hongoeka Marae badge on it, and then some designs there that just come off in a lighter grey on the black strip. It's a beautiful strip. I haven't seen it. We'll have to bring in someone that can explain it to us. I don't know if it's available for sale, but I'm sure if you discuss it with someone important at Hongoeka, you might be able to find one. But I've already heard the boys trying to thinking about how they can steal it after the game. So, you know. Borrow it for next year.
As we look at the restart for the second half, as we see Mr. Soialo lining up for the kickoff. Scoreline of 20-16 to Takapūwāhia.
Kickoff goes. It's along the ground. Bobbles. Oh, it's bounced over the head. It's taken. Takapūwāhia. Carry. He's taken back, tackled 10 metres out from his own line. They go back to the open side. It's a bit of line speed there from Hongoeka. They don't make much there. Takapūwāhia, maybe only a metre.
Let's give it 5 minutes. Another great tackle as the boys in red decide to take it out to that left-hand side but push it back in. No, he's holding on to it.
I've just had an update on who designed the strip. The strip was designed by Rawiri Barnsley for Hongoeka. It's a wonderful strip.
How good is that?
Beautiful, yep. Local whānau, the Barnsley whānau. So, you know, what a way to contribute to this wonderful game.
Thank you.
Here we go. Kick goes. Fifth tackle. Finds a bit of space there. It's taken about 20 metres out from halfway, Hongoeka side of the line.
Oh,
it's a good carry.
You heard that.
They go again. Short ball. Offloads. Tackled just short of halfway. Hongoeka.
Soialo waiting for the ball.
Kick. It's a shot. Low
He's looking
kick.
for it. It's out.
It is a great kick. 5 metres out from the line.
And he substitutes himself off.
Give the chance for the boys to have another little bit of a rest. It's pretty warm out there. Takapūwāhia playing the ball. Oh, no. Bit of a debate out there. Here we go, plays the ball 15 metres out from their own line. Trying to play a bit of basketball.
Trying to snatch it. Oh, and this is what we're talking about. A bit of feeling from both teams.
What an inside ball. Takapūwāhia burst up the middle. He goes charging past halfway. Taken. Oh, big tackle. 40 metres out from the Hongoeka line. Plays the ball. He goes in the open side. Aaron Arthur. Carries.
Tagged.
Oh, he's held up. Carry back. Offload. They try to offload it.
He's called it a knock on. Oh, no, play on.
He's called it held.
Held
Here we
and
go.
played.
Takapūwāhia have the ball now, 30 metres out from the Hongoeka line. Bishop offloads. One more, quick hands along the wing. Oh, big shot. Oh, by title, McMillan Parada. Chip kick over the top. Bishop. Oh.
Well recovered by Uppy.
Go up the blind. Good carry there by Hongoeka.
Run it. Good tackle.
They go again. Round the back. Throws the dummy. Fourth tackle now. They're going to look to do something. Goes back door. Early kick, kicks on the fourth. Holds up in that breeze. A bit of a breeze comes across the ground. It's coming from the southern end. He comes up, big shot, but no. He bounces off the tackle, carries up the wing. He bursts away. He's going down the wing. Tackled, brought in. Essie. Plays the ball. They're trying to get back. There's a penalty advantage. He's about to blow his whistle, the referee, but no, he plays on. He's going to let it go. No, here we go. Penalty. Offside. None of those boys got back after that big burst down the wing by Takapūwāhia. Looking dangerous here now.
Very dangerous. Problem for the Hongoeka boys is, did you see where they kicked from?
Yeah.
They were nowhere near the halfway.
No, they were nowhere near the halfway. It was fourth tackle. Maybe a bit of tactical lapse there, but they may pay for it here. It's Takapūwāhia, 5 metres out from the line. Randall, Bishop, carries. It takes about 4 men to bring him down. Slow play the ball. They go out wide. Oh, the ball goes to the ground. Referee says play on. Bit of argy-bargy, but Hongoeka come up with the ball. Big turnover there by Hongoeka. Why Martau? A little bit of a pat on the head. Hongoeka carry up the middle of the field now. Carried back by Takapūwāhia. They got to fight deep as they look to get off their own line. Look to get something. Look to get a little bit of a reprieve. With 30 metres out from their own line. They go again. They go to the short side. Back. Oh. Another big shot. Fourth tackle now. Still 30 metres out from their own line, looking for something wrong. Oh, Richmond carries. Must be one of the oldest men out there at the moment. Good on him, old uncle.
Older than the college.
Here we go. Fifth tackle now. Kick goes to the left-hand touch line. It's a good carry back.
He's lost control of that. He's saying it was stripped.
Referee's always right, though. Hongoeka getting a chance now. Finally out of their own half. About 7 minutes gone in the first half. It's been a
7.
Hongoeka play the ball. They go up the middle. Bit of a move. Oh, spot tackle. Just over halfway. Good defense from Takapūwāhia as they push up. Hongoeka go again, play the ball. Good carry by Hongoeka. They go back to the open side. Shows and gives. They attack the short side. Good carry by Hongoeka. Here they go again. Go out wide. 20 metres out now. Big tackle. 5th tackle now. About 12 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line. They go down the short side. Kick goes up. Oh, it's taken on the end goal by Toa. Here we go. They'll get the run that out to the 20. Here we go. Tap and go. Toa go up the middle. Good carry, getting about 15 metres out of that after the mistake from Hongoeka going too far on that kick. Takapūwāhia take a hit up again. 5 metres out from halfway now. Second tackle. Oh, there's a little bit of a knock on at dummy half. Takapūwāhia start to build a little bit of momentum, but just a little mistake there.
He had ideas.
He did.
He had ideas.
One job at a time sometimes when you're looking there, but Takapūwāhia looking hot on attack there. Just a little mistake. Gives Hongoeka a bit of reprieve once again.
I reckon someone should actually throw the ball to Cass and see if he runs it.
I'm surprised they haven't yet with the clash of uniforms. Here we go. Gives on the inside. Good carry. Oh,
good
big
bump.
contact. Just on the inside, Takapūwāhia's side of halfway. Hongoeka now. Ooh, body slam tackle. They go short. Uppy McMillan Parada carries hard into the line. Gets to about 20 metres out from the Takapūwāhia line. Good play the ball. Waimatau carries again. Middle of the field now. They go right. Oh, good of a short ball. Oh, he
He's
was
caught
in
it.
for all money.
Yeah.
Obstruction, getting in the way. Very lucky there for Takapūwāhia. Hongoeka were in for all money.
If it wasn't for that shepherd.
If it wasn't for the shepherd. But they go look for touch. But a bit of reprieve for them. Oh, just gets in. Takapūwāhia take possession of the ball.
I'd expect a
10
couple
metres
of
out from halfway.
substitutions to happen in the next 30 seconds.
Here we go. Takapūwāhia carry hard into the line after that penalty. Just short of halfway. They go short, cut back on the inside. Brought down, second tackle. Oh, big carry. 40 metres out now from the Hongoeka line. The carry, look on the inside. Ooh. Big contact, 4th tackle. 30 metres out. They go blind. 5th and final now, 20 metres out. What are Takapūwāhia going to do here? Randall Bishop with the ball. Looks crossfield. He comes across and it's going to bounce and into touch. Just a reminder of the score here. 20 points to 16 to Takapūwāhia. Takapūwāhia hanging in there. They haven't had a lot of position this half and Hongoeka have been playing very well. So still anyone's game here with about 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes gone here at Mana College. Hongoeka now with the ball.
Uppy making a work of it.
No, but he's been a workhorse so far in this match. As Hongoeka take it out to their 30-metre line. It's another good carry. McMillan Paradas, there's so many of them. They're everywhere at the moment. Goes short, Waimatau. Carries hard, just short of halfway. 4th tackle. There's a bit of open country here.
Oh, that was on.
Just there, pretty close. They almost managed to get around that outside there, but just execution.
Execution, but he was running at speed. His wingers needed just to be a bit quicker, hitting that line at pace.
Good Takapūwāhia, a little break. Finally got some position now. Carry up to halfway. They go open side, short ball. Ten metres into the Hongoeka side. Another carry from dummy half. Third tackle. Bishop inside. Oh, they've lost the ball there, Takapūwāhia. Another mistake. Really struggling with ball in hand at the moment, Takapūwāhia.
Fatigue.
Could be potential, trying to do a bit too much to get back into this match. Every time they've had the ball, there's sort of been a mistake on the back half of their set, and they've really struggled to get any momentum from that. Scrum packs down on the 30-metre line, Hongoeka side of halfway. They go through the back line. Oh, he drops the ball. Takapūwāhia with the ball now. They carry up the wing. Oh, what's the referee going to do here? First knock on, second knock on. He's going to go to Takapūwāhia ball. He'll play the advantage.
Again, a lot of ideas.
A lot of ideas, a lot of...
Not sure if the body's wanting to do those. A lot of pre-season. Some of these boys are already in pre-season mode at the moment.
Yeah, they would be, and only sevens. I think Condor sevens only. Oh, not Condor sevens. The American
Ambassadors
sevens.
Yeah, I think Huddle Boys took that out last week. Here we go. Scoreline.
We'll just remind everyone at home the scoreline 16-20 to Takapūwāhia as Takapūwāhia take the ball.
Yeah. You might want to run on.
Again. Held up 30 metres out from the Hongoeka line. They go back to the open side. Caught in the middle of the field again, but he manages to slip out and carry forward another 5 or so metres. Here we go again, 10 metres out. Takapūwāhia with the ball, carry up the middle. Oh, there's a lift. No, safely puts him back on the ground and drives him back. They go to the left side of the field. Randall, Bishop, tackled 5 metres out from the line. They go open. There's a bit of a mistake. Referee says play on, ball to ground. Didn't go forward. Takapūwāhia carry again, 2 metres out, final tackle. They go to the left. Little chip, Randall Bishop. Oh, Hongoeka come up with the ball. Ten metres out from Hongoeka. They go again. First tackle.
It's been a struggle for these boys to get out of their half.
No, they've really struggled to get any momentum. Takapūwāhia tackling very hard and knocking them back, but it's taken just a few little of those sort of darting runs to sort of get anything. Here he goes. Ooh! A bit of contact on the far touchline. Play the ball about 25 metres out from their own goal line. They carry it up. They look to the... Looks open, he goes, darts, into the line. Final tackle now, 5 metres out from halfway. He plays the ball, no one's there! Oh. Takapūwāhia take possession. And Hongoeka side of halfway. Quick play the ball by Hongoeka, they go short, run, hit up. And he makes a mistake, but he's going to come back and make the tackle. Drives Hongoeka back. Or drives Takapūwāhia back. A bit of argy-bargy now. Oh, bit of push and shove. But it all gets left. We've got a... Someone's injured in the middle there. Takapūwāhia play again. There's a hole in the middle of the field. Bursts up. Just short of the Hongoeka 2-metre line now. Takapūwāhia goes short side. Randall Bishop looks to turn in, carries into the line. Taken. About 5 metres out. They go open side now. Takapūwāhia spins it through the back line. Short ball. And final tackle now for Takapūwāhia. What are they going to do? Go short side, chip over the end. And they've taken it. And Takapūwāhia have scored. Try to Takapūwāhia. A little bit of a chip kick down onto to the winger. The winger's taken it and dotted down about 10 metres outside the right hand upright.
A wonderful set by the boys. Good runs, hard runs. A lot of their big boys turning up at the right time. If we look at this replay, he collected it just there near the corner. Was out of a run it in. This should be good.
Over it goes, Takapūwāhia. Knock over the points. Dot on another 6. 26 points now to 16 here at Mana College. Takapūwāhia just scoring a marvellous try. It's a little chip kick into the hands of the winger. The winger took it above the defenders, took it down and dotted it down under the sticks. So we come up now to halfway through the second half. Hongoeka with a lot of possession, just not being able to get any go forward.
It's been a struggle for the boys, but they've got some big boys in this red side. Being able to get their yardage. Do you think they need to come to the edges a lot more?
I think they do. I think they're struggling to go up the middle. There's been some heavy contact up the middle, but they haven't come out best. So I agree. Coming out to the edges a bit more through the hands and carrying it up, keeping it away from those Takapūwāhia big fellas may benefit Hongoeka. Does Takapūwāhia take the kick off? First tackle, 15 metres out from their own line.
Juggles.
A little bit of a juggle, second tackle. He goes short side, away from the caravan. Good carry there. Up. We've now got Aaron Arthur carried up the middle. He burst down, offload! One more! There's open field in front of him. And he's caught by 2 Hongoeka defenders now, about 15 metres out from the Hongoeka line. Takapūwāhia hot on attack here. They go to the open side, offload. They go out to the wing. One more. Oh, he's bundled into touch. Just short of the line.
Wonderful defensive effort by the boys.
Yeah, managing to get back there and make that, firstly, that covering tackle, but they're managing to get back and make that tackle in the corner. But I think there's been a penalty here with Takapūwāhia now having the ball. Takapūwāhia take a tap and go 10 metres out from the Hongoeka line. First tackle, plays the ball. They go open side. Back door. Takapūwāhia offload! Randall Bishop dots down. Try to Takapūwāhia there after the penalty. Short offload, and there he goes, Randall Bishop, dotting down once again under the post to take it up to 30 points to 16 with the kick to come. Aaron Arthur's just been carried off by a couple of Takapūwāhia supporters and player after that burst down the middle. As we look at the replay here of the try that was just scored, Takapūwāhia too much pressure and managed to dot down after that breakaway by Aaron Arthur. Kick goes up, kicks over. That puts it up 32 points to 16 here at Mana College. Takapūwāhia lead Hongoeka. Hongoeka really struggling to get an ego forward at the moment. They've had some got opportunity with the ball. They've just struggled really to execute. And Takapūwāhia have let them in it with a few mistakes in the first half of this second half as we come just about 23 minutes into the second half now. James Soyalo to kick off for Hongoeka. Kick-off made by Hongoeka. They go deep once again. It's taken by Takapūwāhia 10 metres out from their line. They shift it to the left now. They hit it up. Oh, it's called a strip. Strip from Hongoeka. Tap and go by Takapūwāhia. Takapūwāhia give it out. Takapūwāhia take it out 30 metres out from their own line. Another short carry. They go short side towards the caravan. Quick hands, burst through the hole, taken down just short of halfway. Plays the ball, run from dummy half. Another big carry. Fourth tackle now. Takapūwāhia well into the Hongoeka side of halfway. Oh, he's given it. James Oyalo takes an intercept. They throw on the inside. Hongoeka bursts away. Hongoeka take it up from dummy half. Doesn't get too much purchase from that carry. They go now towards the caravan side. Carries forward. They go again. Away from the commentary box position. Drop from Hongoeka. Ball sort of bobbles between two Takapūwāhia players. No advantage. Referee Caruso calls it Takapūwāhia ball first knock on. Again, mistakes just costing Hongoeka when they get a little bit of momentum. Just struggling to execute.
But the quick play of the ball for the boys in red is really effective, really catching them off guard and just making those 10, 15, making them have to run back.
I think that's the distinction between the two teams at the moment. If you look at the way that Takapūwāhia have carried, especially out of that dummy half or first receiver position, off quick play the balls, Hongoeka have really struggled to counter that. Inversely, you've had Hongoeka try to do stuff, and every time there's a Takapūwāhia defender there and managed to push them back. There's Takapūwāhia take it out 5 metres out from halfway. First receiver hit up, sort of jots out to the left and carries well into Hongoeka's side. Plays the ball. Oh, it's a poor play of the ball there by Takapūwāhia, and it's a turnover to Hongoeka. Bit of an opportunity once again for Hongoeka to do something with this good field position, which they've struggled to do all half. I'll just remind everyone at home of the score. Takapūwāhia 32, Hongoeka 16, so Hongoeka 16 points behind here at the moment. With a chance now, the scrum packs down and is given out. They go away from the commentary box side. Big tackle short. They go again back towards the open side. Carry up the middle. See, I'm even liking these sort of one-off runs, dummy giving it and just taking it out of that first channel. I think it's been a fairly solid game plan from Hongoeka, but we've had an injury here.
Looks like Tane might have run into a massive wall there in red. How's he feeling?
Big man. I wouldn't be wanting to run out there. I'm just a bit winded, maybe.
I think he's gesturing that he might have run into my chest.
He's going to come off. They play the ball again. Hongoeka with the ball. Another offload. Bounce. He calls play on. Referee Caruso. 12 metres out now. Hongoeka go to the short side. They give it out. No options there.
Best attacking opportunity they've had for quite a while, these boys.
No, it has been. I think the last time they were down here, they kicked it straight to a defender in Ingo, and Takapūwāhia carried 20 metres out, tapped and went, and they were back on halfway. They go blind. What a try! Hongoeka have gone over in the corner. A short offload there from dummy half, and over Hongoeka go. They strike back, finally using that field position.
A nice little cheeky run there, and I think we have the score try scorer on the screen.
Caleb.
They call him
McGill
the Dark
Richmond.
Vader.
Caleb McGill Richmond. That's a good try there. Just had to dot it down, but right place, right time. And finally, as you said earlier, going to the outside may just pay dividends for Hongoeka today. So the score goes 20 points to 36 with the kick to come.
As we see the replay, a nice little dart, and then a beautiful handoff to the right-hand side to dot down for those 4 points. Bringing that scoreline closer, but as the scoreline gets closer, so does the time for this game.
Kick goes up from James Soyalo, and it's away. So the score will remain 36 points to 20 here at
Mana
College, with Takapūwāhia well in front. It's just a wonderful day out here.
I was about to say the same thing. Everyone is out.
Everyone is out. The umbrellas, the gazebos. A beautiful whānau day out here at Mana College as the kickoff's made by Takapūwāhia. And it's a conclusion of what's been a wonderful weekend for Ngāti Toa as it's AGM season here for Te Rūnanga or Toa Rangatira. Oh, and Hongoeka have knocked the ball on about 10 metres out from their line.
Did he need to pass?
Well, that's sort of been I think both teams have been guilty at it today. There's been a bit of, the 50-50 balls that they've tried to throw while in the tackles, when if they had just held it, they, and these have been early on in the set, which has been a bit.
And is this maybe one of the last games for this AGM for a couple of years? Is the AGM moving, or are we doing this again next year?
Next year, the AGM, from my calculations, is due to be held down in Te Tauihu, down in Nelson, or in Waido, depending on where the Rūnanga board choose to have the AGM. But Hongoeka burst the way down there, so it'll be interesting to see what they do with the fixture like this, considering that it'll be down in the southern part of Ngāti Toa Rangatira.
You could take a whole combined team down.
Could be a plan. I'm sure some of the Te Tauihu whānau might want to put together a rugby league team and say, hey, these guys don't look that flash and we can take them. But you know.
Was that a flop?
Well, not according to referee Caruso. He says play on. Hongoeka now with the ball. They go to the short side. Short ball. Hongoeka burst up the wing. He tries a bit of razzle-dazzle. Bursts away. A bit of a kick. They pick it up. And on he goes off. He dots down the ball.
What a try.
What a try from Hongoeka. Hongoeka dot down, and they close that gap once again.
You should talk more about the AGM when Hongoeka have the ball. it might be good for them.
Maybe a bit too much pressure. Maybe the curse of the commentator anytime they have the ball. But no, it's been a wonderful weekend at the AGM. It started on Thursday with a golf day. They had the iwi golf day, and
look at this replay. Occasion. Number 21 picking that what looked like a fumble and dotting down just under the sticks there, bringing the scoreline to 24-32. We spoke so much, I don't know if he got the kick over. as we start
Again.
with a nice little run down the middle. There's a lot of space down this middle. Have they got their tails up? He's come back. Nice little pass.
Hongoeka now with a bit of position.
Bit of life in their attack.
No, but they started off on Thursday with a wonderful golf day. Yesterday they rolled into, they opened an awesome exhibition down Pātaka, done by some of the whānau. Then we rolled into the AGM, which is almost just as far as the rugby league match. And then today with a market day and capping off a wonderful weekend with this rugby league match. I just want to mihi to the communications team at Te Rūnanga o Toa Rangatira for what has been a wonderful weekend of events, especially Auntie Ray Winklener, who's on the Te Atiawa tour board. She's done a wonderful thing, putting together this weekend and making sure that the Rūnanga celebrate what has been another very successful year for Te Rūnanga o Toa Rangatira. As Takapūwāhia now have the ball, carries up the middle. Ooh, big tackle in there.
He won't stay down.
No. It's like sort of like a pair of old boots, old Randall. There's just there's no getting rid of him as Takapūwāhia take it up to halfway. They carry again.
See, they're coming wide again.
No, exactly, and it's really just
stretches that defensive line.
Yeah, here we go, fifth tackle. Takapūwāhia now, what are they looking to do? They go into the back line. Stabs the kick down. Good take by Hongoeka. Hongoeka carry it back out again. They take it 20 metres out from their line for first tackle. See again, they've sort of... he's fumbled it in the play the ball.
He's complaining.
No,
it was stripped.
He's saying play on. When we have the ball, they go for a little second phase play. Tackle 10 metres out from halfway now.
They need a quick ball. They need to come around this right-hand
Here
side.
Go
Go
again.
again.
Come to the short side. Waimato carries up the middle. Another bursting run. Carries 10 metres into the Takapūwāhia halfway. They go to the open side. They flick it out. Offload. They look back on the end. Good tackle there by Takapūwāhia, bringing them down. Fifth tackle now. Knock on by Hongoeka on that fifth tackle.
Little mistakes.
No, exactly. And if they can get to that kick, it's all they need. If they can get to that kick and they can bang it down and sort of turn that Takapūwāhia team around and get a couple of tackles, they'd really build some momentum. But just struggling to build that momentum here, Hongoeka. As we come into what we must be well into the last 10 minutes now of the match. Hongoeka.
We need to be precise about this, how many minutes there are left in this game. Only because the last time we were at this ground, there were so many versions of how many times were left. It got quite testy. What a great burst here. As the boys in red find themselves on halfway, as a Macmillan Parata comes towards the commentary, complaining.
Here they go to the short side, flick it out. Carry up. 20 metres out from the line. Takapūwāhia now.
Here they go again, holds on to it. A lovely little run. Just 10 away from the try line. As he's just been taken down.
Here we go, fifth tackle. What's Takapūwāhia going to do there? They go short side.
Back to the edges. Oh, he busts himself over.
Takapūwāhia go to the short side. Carry hard. Runs over the defender and dots down. It's a pretty physical try there.
A cementing try. Then we heard some commentary from the Takapūwāhia boys. I think their goal was to make sure their whole bench was injured before the end of the game.
Well, they're enemies on the field, but they're cousins afterwards, so I'm sure they'll be all right once they get back into the club rooms and have a few shandies. As the kick goes up from Takapūwāhia and it's away, so kick goes away. Final score, 36 points to 24 to Takapūwāhia, 36 points to 24.
A fantastic afternoon, Jury. You must be very happy being on the organising committee for this.
I wasn't on the organising committee. Somehow someone CC'd me into an email, and I'm now here talking to everyone at home about what's happening on the ground. So it's been a wonderful day here at Alston. It's been really positive, and it was a game played in good spirits.
I think the collection of players that decide to play for which team, as you said, everyone's cousins. So how do you decide which one you're going to play for?
Well, I think it just depends who your favourite cousins are at this point, because there's some boys that could play for Takapūwāhia in the Hongoeka team, and there's some boys that probably could play for Hongoeka in the Takapūwāhia team. So it'll just depend for some of them. But I'm here. I like both sides, so I was completely neutral in that match for everyone at home. But thanks for having me here to call this match.
Brilliant. No, it was fantastic to have you here. As we see, both teams will be shaking hands soon, and let's hope it's shaking of hands. It's been a wonderful afternoon with whānau, family, everyone on the sidelines. Bouncing castles for the kids. We've had ice cream for free, donuts for free. Sausages for free.
No, once again, I just want to reiterate what an amazing weekend it's been for Ngāti Toa and Te Rūnanga or Toa Rangatira to celebrate what's been another successful year of for our people, not just collectively but individually. Yeah, it's pretty special, and to top it off with a top-notch game of rugby league like that.
Oh, look, Atiawa Toa FM cannot be that without Toa at the end of it. The partnership of both iwi being involved in communications and radio and in this live stream. One for us to be a part of it with the team here of Corey Stickle, Toby Warrington, and our two cameramen upstairs, Cass Caressa also, and Adrian Royal, who's our technical technician, and of course Chopper, who was kind enough to, when he heard about this, he said, I must have this caravan available for this game, which has been, it's been a great facility for us to commentate in.
No, it's been amazing, and again, what happens when you invest in community assets like Te Atiawa Toa FM, what we can bring you. So
Exactly.
A marvellous afternoon here.
Well, there you have it, cousins, all shaking hands now after the 2025 Battle of the Maraes played here at Mana College. We wish you all a Merry Christmas. We'll go chat with these boys, but again, Jerry, thank you so much for your time. Everyone else, have a great afternoon.
Ka kite.
Kia kite.